Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are gonna try on something new. Let me show you. Here I have this fluffy kinky number 2 long. We also have short, but I'm using long for today. What I'll be trying is kinky twist, fluffy kinky. Yeah, I guess that's all, and this is how it looks while it's alone, while it's one. That's it. So I'll portion it into two, like this one here. Hey, what? Now I have two portions. Why I'm dividing them into two is so that it will be more fluffier. See, this one is so fluffy and light, so I guess I'll start from behind, then I'll come to you and show you from this portion, which you can see through. Right? See me after a while. Bye. So what I'm doing, okay, I'm done with my behind. I'm doing with big braids. Yeah, and I had started my front part, this piece over here. So what I'm doing, I'm holding it that way. That's our final result. Rate me whichever percent you feel like rating me. Why it's so hot in Mombasa. My makeup is kind of falling off, but not really. I didn't lay my edges, so here's the hair. Fluffy kinky. Ooh, ooh. I really love this hair. It's too light, and I left my edges in case of any damage. Sitaki nibaki bila hairline. Yeah, and yeah, that's our final result. I'm keeping on repeating that's our final result. Yeah, cause I'm so proud of myself, and I really like what I'm seeing. I love the hair, it's light. I used two long fluffy kinky. It's called fluffy kinky long, and I also used one short. It was number 2. Number 2 is still black, I guess. And the hair is too light. Wow, I really love. Oh, I had this too here. Maybe I will do a review after I see the way it's gonna end up, because I'm really loving it.